Hello everyone. I'm gonna go ahead and share an update of my better melon plant. It's taking forever to grow. I probably should repot this. I really like this one. I'm still having a problem getting my getting some pollinators to come to my yard. I've been just collecting flowers or pollinators plant. Usually I'll just I prefer to plant greens, vegetables, trees. This little bees right here, I don't know what kind of bees that is. I would rather probably not get close to it. It looked like it's gonna bite me if I okay, I need it to move because I need to get over there. So I got a whole bunch of pollinators. I've adopted them from Lowe's, mostly Lowe's. This is my jackfruit. And this one, not really sure what to do with this. I haven't had a chance to take a look to see what exactly is eating it. It's supposed to be a Brussels sprout. It's I got that from when I attended a plant swap. So, okay. Ooh, okay. That little booger is gone. Okay, so here's my better melon. So all this are from when I hand pollinated it. So it works. I mean, you just have to be careful when you hand pollinate the female better melon, because if you're not, the leaves will fall off, which makes it pointless if the leaves of the female plants fall off. So these are male, as you can see, and this is the better melon that didn't get pollinated. That's what will happen to them. And I have a few of them that I neglected to hand pollinate. So those that got pollinated, they grow nice. So hopefully this one, I won't miss this little guy right here. But I think I'm doing pretty good hand pollinating some of this better melon. This is actually the first time that I've had more than one better melon. Usually I'll get one female better melon and then one the rest are all male. I don't know what I'm doing right this time that I'm getting a lot of female better melon, but I really do need to get some more pollinators. I like this one. I can't remember what's the name of it. This one I just got this from, I got this yesterday. And this one, I don't know what this is. I planted this from seeds, and so far it's growing. So kind of interesting. There's only one. Green onions. I like my green onions. Okay. Got more eggplant. Oh, here's my potato. They sprouted a couple days ago and they are growing pretty fast. And this one, I don't know what's going on with this one, but that one is one of the potatoes that I got from the grocery store, and it had eye, but I guess it decided not to grow. So, oopsie, got to water them yesterday. Yeah, this is my second one. So, okay, thanks for watching.